Mystery Class Number 5 by Dani. This is my photo period chart that led me to find my mystery place. As you can see, my photo period either went up by 1 or up by 2. I found out that I am in the northern hemisphere because I am gaining daylight. This is my graph that I drew my photo periods out on. My graph showed me how much daylight I was gaining and how close to the equator I am. My graph also helped me find my mystery place because I know that my place is close to the equator. My graph also helped me find the latitude of my mystery place, which is 75 degrees west. I used a worksheet to find what degrees longitude I am. I am 74 degrees west longitude. The red dot is where I predicted my place was. My place is the blue dot close to where I predicted. And the yellow dot is River Falls, where I live. My first clue is the equator divides our continent, but the great majority of the continent's area is on one side of the equator. As you can see, my mystery place is South America. I found that out by using clue 1, because it said most of the continent is on one side of the equator. South America is mostly on one side of the equator, so I confirm that my mystery place is in South America. I used clue 2, which is, do you like coffee? Our country is known for it. We are also known for having coasts on both the Atlantic and the Pacific Oceans. As you can see below, I marked on a map that Colombia has coasts on both the Atlantic and the Pacific Ocean. No other country in South America has coasts on both the Atlantic and the Pacific Ocean, so I used clue 2 to confirm that my mystery place is in the country of Colombia. Clue 3 helped me determine what my country is divided up by. Clue 3 is, our department is surrounded by another department near the center of our country. Using a map off the internet, I found that there are 32 departments in Colombia. There is one department that is surrounded by another, which is the Capital District. So my mystery place is in the Capital District. My city is Bogota. I took clue 4 and broke it down into 3 parts. Here is one part that helped me narrow down my mystery city, which is Bogota. Here is a mountain church in Bogota. You take a funicular to get here. After searching for a mountain church in Colombia, I confirmed that I was in Bogota. The second part of clue 4 was Bogota is the largest city in Colombia and is also very popular. I searched Bogota's population and the largest city in Colombia, which is Bogota. I am very confident that my mystery city is in Bogota. The last part of clue 4 said that Bogota is the capital district itself and the capital of a surrounding department. Bogota is also the capital of Colombia. When searching, I found that Bogota is the capital district itself and the capital of a surrounding district. I also confirmed that Bogota is the capital of Colombia. Now I know for sure that I am in Bogota. One interesting fact I found about Bogota is every year on the first Thursday of February, Bogota has a day without cars. They call it El Día Sin Carro, which means the day without cars. I find El Día Sin Carro interesting because to get to places like work or school, it would be hard. It is also a cool tradition because not a lot of other places have a day without cars. Another interesting fact about Bogota is Colombia's favorite sport is soccer. Their team name is the Coffeers because Colombia is known for coffee. Another interesting fact is Bogota's favorite soup is made up of chicken and potatoes with sour cream. It is a traditional soup in Bogota. I love learning about Bogota and hope you did too. I also think it is fascinating that you can find a place in the world just by its photo period. I enjoyed finding Bogota and especially learning about what a fun place it is.